my beautiful booksters. Today I'll be teaching you how to paint rocks. I just found these rocks outside my house and I have 5 of them. Make sure they're smooth. I also got some paintbrushes and acrylic paint. You'll also need Glaze. This is Podge that we used for our leaf plates. And we'll need primer. This is a white paint. I'm sure most of you don't have it, but you can use white paint. I didn't have white paint, so I'm using primer. Now, let's get started! First, we're going to get primer paint, but you can use white paint. Make sure you paint the primer paint in one direction and make sure it is smooth. For the monster, I painted it orange and let it dry. Then I painted the eye white in a circular shape. I'm just painting 2 triangular teeth with white. When your eye and teeth are done, let it dry. Now we're using the black to make a black circle in the eye and make a smile around the teeth. For the red smiley face, I painted it red and let it dry. Then I got some pink and painted the cheeks. Now I'm using black for the eyes. One eye was winking. And I also used black for the smile. The background of the tree was blue. And again I let it dry. Then I used brown for the branches. Then I used a straight brush to make the green grass. I'm using the circular back of the brush and dipping it in paint and just putting some dots on the tree for the flowers. I'm using 3 colors, red, white, and pink. And don't worry about if it is mixed up. Now for the easiest one, and it is the emoji. As you can see, I already painted it yellow, and all you have to do is dip your brush in the black paint and do 2 eyes and a smile. And for the last one, that is the cactus. You can see I have already painted it peach. And I'm going to paint brown. Make sure it's kind of rough for the dirt. Then I'm going to use the green to make one straight line and curves on it. And the last part is to glaze. I painted 2 layers of glaze, but you can paint 1 layer or 2 layers. Yay, we're done! Doesn't it look beautiful? Okay guys, our rocks are done and I'm going to show you them one by one. This is the first one. The tree one is actually my favorite. It looks beautiful. And the other one we made is this one that is very cute. And the monster one looks really scary and I like it. I did 1 eye because if I did 3 or 4 eyes, it will there's no space. But if you have a big rock, you can do 3 or 4 eyes. There's also the emoji one. You can make a whole collection of emoji rocks. And of course, the cactus, that is very neat and we don't need to fix it up. So those are all the rocks we need. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please press the subscribe button if you want to see more videos of me, and the thumbs up button if you like this video. Please share this video with your family and your friends. I really hope they like it too. Love you guys so much. See you guys next time. Bye.